Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to use Klarna on AliExpress. You can pay on AliExpress using your Klarna, but it's only available in certain countries. Okay, so let's add some items to my cart. As you can see, I have items in my cart, and let's proceed to checkout page. Now we want to scroll down to section that says payment method, and now you can choose Klarna. And depending on your region, Klarna may let you split the payment into installments or simply pay for your order later. So once you choose Klarna, you will be redirected to their page to log in or create your account if you don't own one yet. Confirm the payment that works for you, then complete your checkout, and you'll return to AliExpress with your order confirmed. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.